We're gonna test something wild. I took 2 t-shirts. Both are the Gildan Heavy Cotton from Gelato's premium apparel catalog. And I'm going to wash both of them 5 times so we can see how they perform when it comes to the wash test. And both of them are 2 different prints. One is a DTF print and one is a DTG print. All right, so one is going to be like the standard print with the DTG, and then the premium, from the premium catalog, I went ahead and did the DTF. We're gonna go ahead and put these to the test and then go ahead and wash these and see how they hold up, and I'll let you be the judge when it comes to this. All right, just to give you an idea, so the t-shirts are a heavy unisex crew neck, so the Gildan 5000, okay? So they're 2 different prints, right? So one's a DTG and one's a DTF print, right? And you're gonna see the DTF, you can see here, and then this is the DTG print right here. Okay, so those will give you the idea and the concept between the two. You can see like the DTF is like the more expensive one. You can see, right? $12.09. And then over here, this is $10.89 for this print. Okay, so I'll give you the idea of that. So the Gildan 5000s, these are the ones that I'm using. The material of those, they're very soft. I'm touching it right now. It has a nice feel. And it's a pretty like solid, heavy type of material. So when you have it on, and I'll show you an example of it on me. And these are 2XL. They're both black colored t-shirts. The premium quality of the actual shirt is nice. And then the prints on both of them are pretty nice too as well. It just all depends on you, on what you want when it comes to this. But both are very like high quality premium style printed t-shirts. All right, I wanted to show you before I wash the shirts, how it looks. This is the Gildan 5000. Right, and they're both 2XL, by the way. Okay, so these are both the same exact shirt. 2XL, black, both style, both same shirt, just different type of print. So as you're gonna see on this one right here, look at, so it can give you an idea of how it fits without it being washed. All right, I wanted to share that with you. So it fits really good. It's for me. I usually wear anywhere between an extra large to 2XL, depending on the size of the shoulders. I have big shoulders, like something like this. If I want a more relaxed fit, comfortable fit, this will be like, I'll get a 2XL so you can see, right? Now, if it's more of a, if I want a more of a tighter fit, then I'll go with that XL, but it all depends on the shoulder part. And let me know down below in the comments, what style fit do you like as far as what you wear for your t-shirts? And if you want to test out Gelato, my affiliate link is gonna be down below in the description if you wanna check that out. Okay, here are the 2 prints right here. Tiny but loving. You got this penguin, Valentine, like a Valentine's Day, heart loving. That's more like an evergreen though, because it's just a heart loving penguin. So this can work all year long, but this is the DTG print. Okay, I took the same design and printed it over with the DTF. So I'm gonna show you right now, but to look up real closely, let you be the judge of the actual print itself. So you can see that, right? Look up. Did a really good job. You can see, if you look at it, you can see how the print of the white text on here. Okay, so you just give you an idea what it looks like. Now this is going to be the DTF, this is the DTG, and this is the DTF print. Now you can see this print right here. Now look at this, you're gonna see, and you look up close, right? You can see how smoother it is on the shirt, right? You see that? If you look at the actual print here of the penguin, look. See how smoother it is. Get up real close. Remember, this is the DTF, so it's more of like that. Like the quality of it, it's up there. It's really high quality when you compare it to the DTG. The DTG is not bad of a bad print. You can just tell the difference in the quality of the print. You be the judge of this right here. Tell me what you think between these two. Which one is the best print between the DTF and the DTG? Let me know in the comments. All right, so what we're gonna do is gonna go ahead and put the t-shirts inside of the washer. Now, what you're gonna do is wash cold and then turn them inside out. And then you can either low dry them after they're done washing or dry hang them to help decrease the shrinkage. So I have one t-shirt inside out. So you see that, and just gonna go ahead and throw it in the washer. One. I'll put right here on the side of the screen how to actually, the washing instructions for you, if you need help with that, to give you an idea of how I actually did it myself. Okay, so just turning them inside out, and as you see, there's the Gildan 2XL. Boom, the Gildan Heavy Cotton. Cold wash. And there it goes, the first wash. All right, so we're doing a total of 5 washes. Okay, so this is exactly after 3 washes. So this is going to be the DTF print, as you're gonna see, okay? After 3 washes, right? We got 2 more to go, keep that in mind. And it's still looking nice, right? Look how clean that is, nice and clean. Now this is going to be the DTG print, okay? And this is looking really nice still too as well. You can see there's no cracks or nothing like that. After 3 washes, looking really nice. As you're gonna see, get up a little closer so you can see the actual print of it. Okay, so as you can see, they're both holding up really good. We got 2 more washes to go, and we are on the 3rd one right now. So let's go throw them back in and see how they wash. And then I actually try one of them on again to see how, if it's shrunk or not, to give you an idea of that too. Okay, so this is after 5 washes. I put them on low dry, and then I'm having them hanging for air dry. And they're pretty much all dry already. Okay, so you're gonna see them after 5 washes, how they look. And they're looking, just looking at them, pretty solid after 5 washes, by the way. You can see that. So this is the DTF print. I can tell just by touching the material and just looking at the print and touching it. Okay, so this is like a more of a, kind of like a smoother, and this is more of a kind of a little bit rougher texture, but they're both, after being washed 5 times, are still solid. Okay, the prints are really good. Look at that. Okay, so this is after 5 washes, right? First things first, I slept on this overnight to get a better idea, to share my personal opinion with you on this. And the fit, you're gonna see the fit is still solid. Okay, so the way I washed it, right, I'll put all the information in the video as if you didn't see that, I'll put the information of how I washed it and how I did this, because the shrinkage is, there's no shrinkage pretty much, maybe just a tiny bit, if anything, but I feel like if I wear it, it's gonna stretch out a little bit. Came out nice, okay? I did 5 washes. The graphics didn't crack at all, which is really cool. The text, everything looks clean. And remember this, so this one is the DTG print, okay? And this is the DTF print. And as you're looking at them, I'm impressed. After 5 washes, which is really cool. Dried it on low. I even hung it to air dry too a little bit. This is the result. So for me personally, I would highly recommend it, as far as you can see how they're printed and everything like that. Remember, this is the DTF, that's the DTG. Those are the different types of style printing. And then if you want to, you can go down below in the description. You want to order a sample yourself to test it out, but I did all the hard work for you to see, give you an understanding of how they wash and how they look, especially if you're going to be starting your own brand or selling your own t-shirts on your own website, or selling on Amazon or Etsy or your TikTok shop. This, you can see exactly how it all came out. Highly recommend it. If you want to check out Gelato's new premium apparel line, Nike, Sport Tech, or oversized fits, I linked it down below in the description. Drop a comment if you want me to test hoodies or athletic wear next. I'm down to test the whole catalog if you guys want. And watch this video right here next to see how I created a trending design and had it printed by Gelato. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out.